Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Faults in adapters or cables may make the iPhone vibrate constantly or at regular intervals whenever you plug it in. Alternatively, the iPhone may have a bug, which you can cure with a restart or reset. Water damage and notification settings can also be potential reasons you notice your phone buzzing when charging.
Let's help you make your mark.
On your Mac, choose Finder, Preferences from the Finder menu bar, then click Sidebar at the top of the Preferences window. Make sure that CDs, DVDs and iOS devices is checked. If you see your iPhone, iPad, or iPod under USB device tree, get the latest macOS or install the latest updates.
Make your mark, take our lead.
As above, check your USB connection. Check the socket for dust and residue. Try a different USB port. Try a different USB cable. Make sure you've tapped the trust button on your iOS device when you connect it to your Mac. Restart your iOS device. Restart your Mac.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you plug your iPhone into charge, you'll hear a chime or feel a buzz, depending on whether it is in silent mode or not. This is the "I'm charging" announcement. If shortly, 3 seconds to be precise, after this first buzz or chime, you get a second buzz or chime, this means that the iPhone is fast charging.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.